Hi, Pipeline team. Thanks for joining me in Quick Fill Templates. If you're a team that spends time filling in the same field values over and over again, Quick Fill Templates are going to save you a lot of repetitive data entry. Here's a scenario you might recognize. A lot of people you add into the CRM are in the same city, the same state. They're always from the same region, maybe from the same source. Right now, that means typing in those same fields manually every single time. Quick Fill Templates let admins save that combination once and apply it in a single click on both the ad form and the profile page. For example, in this situation, we've got one set here called Nathan's Quick Fill Bozeman, and it's set to fill out the work city and the work state automatically. So we click this, and you see the work city and the work state fills in automatically. If you have admin access and want to create a quick fill template for you and your users, head over to Admin Settings, Data Entry, and Quick Fills. Choose to create a quick fill template for a company, deal, or person. In this case, we're going to add to the person, add a new template. We will call this one Gretchen's Quick Fill. Add a description if you would like. You can start adding as many fields as your template needs and create as many templates as your team uses. You can choose fields by territory, product type, rep role, whatever makes sense. In this example, I'm going to set my state, which I'll choose work state, to Washington. I'll set the city to Seattle. Notice that I am typing in the fields that I want. You can always scroll through and find those fields. I just find it quicker if you know what you'd like. Region, we'll select Northwest, and let's add another one, source. This one is going to be cold call. When you're ready, you can click Save and Activate. You can flip these on and off whenever your needs change. So let's see it in action. When we go here to add a person, you'll notice the quick fill option is here, Gretchen's Quick Fill, and you see it filled everything in for me here. This also works when you head to the people, go to Barney. I want to add a quick fill to his as well, Quick Fill Seattle. And it fills everything in for me and puts in his work, city, and state. Quick fill templates work the same way for deals and companies. So wherever your team has repetitive field combinations, you can set up a template and cut that entry time down to one click. Thanks.